Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and do we have a cool one for you today? We have a 1986 Pontiac Firebird TransAm, one owner. This car was bought new in Paris, Kentucky right here, and it's never left Paris. It's a really, really cool time capsule, and we're going to take a look at it. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any car that we have for sale. If you have questions, you can give us a call, 859-621-5572, and we'll be glad to help you with anything that you have questions about. But we're going to take a look at this 1986 Pontiac Firebird TransAm. This car, like I said, is a one owner, clean CarFax, 15,000 original miles on this car right here. Just doesn't get any nicer than this. I have the original sales order, bill of sale, and the original window sticker for the car. So if you're looking for a really nice 86 Pontiac Firebird TransAm, this is one, and it's getting hard to find these cars, and they just keep going up. So we're going to take a look at this car. Only place on the car that I see is right there. And I always like to show you anything that I find on the cars, so that way you can see it. So we'll go around, I'll show you the rest of the car. Super, super clean. Paint and body works excellent on the car. Really looks good. It's got 4 brand new tires on it. We just put these on. 4 new tires. It had the original tires on it. We took them off, and I don't know if they kept them or not, but we can find that out. But I'll show you the interior here. Just super clean. Security system. Just super, super nice car. Radio, heat and air. Factory heat and air. AM, FM radio. Pretty cool here. Auto armor out of the factory. So that's pretty cool. It's got the security system still there, like it's supposed to. Show you the back seat here. Oh, nice and clean, all the headliner. It's got the T-tops. All the T-tops are in excellent condition as well. Really looks good. Original paint on the car still. Never been repainted. Like I said, one owner. Original paint. Just really, really nice and clean. Just an awesome car. Show you the door here. Door panel. I'm gonna open the trunk here. I'm gonna shut this door, then I'll open the trunk for you. Door shut nice and easy. Find the trunk key, there it is. Got the original keys to the car as well. You can see here both of the original keys, so that's pretty cool. Show you the trunk here. It's got an automatic trunk shut, so that's pretty cool. Give him the key so he can start it up. It's got T-top bags. Just one of a kind car, really. I'm gonna shut the trunk and show you how it shuts. It's pretty neat. So you shut it, and then it automatically shuts itself down. It's pretty cool. He's gonna start it up for me. Has a great sound to it. It is cool here in Kentucky today, so awful chilly. But you can just see how clean this car is. Like I said, 15,000 original miles. Just an awesome, awesome car. Shut the door. Take a look underneath the hood. All underneath the hood. Like I said, it's powered by a 5.0 liter V8. Factory air, power steering, power disc brakes. Really, really nice and clean underneath the hood. Really looks good. Headlights all work. All the lights work. All the marker lights work. So, just a really, really awesome car. I know everybody likes that. I'll show you there. Shut the hood here. Take one more quick look at the 1986 Pontiac Firebird TransAm. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call, 859-621-5572, or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're gonna go for a test drive here and see how it does. All right, we're gonna take this 1986 Firebird TransAm for a test drive, see how it does. We're going out on a beautiful day here in Kentucky. We're gonna drive it and see how it does. Show you all the gauges here. All working. I show you the radio. Like I said, on the radio, we can't play the radio due to copyright on YouTube. So if you want to hear the radio work, just give me a call and I'll be glad to show it to you. So all the headlights work, he was showing. So you come up, yep, both of them, back down. All right, we're gonna take this thing for a drive, see how it does. Except we did put 4 brand new tires on the car, and it does great. It doesn't rattle or shake. All balanced up good. Steering wheel stays straight, doesn't pull to the left or the right any. The car's got good power. To head back. I love driving this car, but we're gonna head back here. We've got some rain coming in on us, and maybe so try to get it back before it starts pouring down. Happens sometimes this time of the year. All right, have him get on it here. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Just a really nice car. Oh yeah, here we go. Yeah. All right. We are almost back here. Like we do every time, we'll show you what it looks like underneath. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call, 859-621-5572, 859-621-5572. or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, we're going to show you what it looks like underneath.